right, so it's noisy out here because we have a problem. My goat is stuck. I'm explaining to you why. Because she got her head stuck in the wall. Do you see this? Do you see? Marmalade. What happened? This is why it's good to cut goat hooves. Lucky for her, she got stuck in the shade. Because she could have been in the Arizona sun for hours before we found her over here. Marmalade. So I'm gonna have to try and work her horns back through this hole to get her out. Hold on, here it come. Hold on, baby girl. I'm gonna have to get down there on my knees. Hold. Let me make sure I don't get it. Hold on. Hold on. Ouch. Try and squeeze my hand in. You have to scoop up. Hold on. So Lily went next door to the neighbor's yard to try and help pull her through. Mama, I don't know how long she's been down here. I know, you can't stick your... So they stick their head through trying to get the weeds on the other side. But she has horns. That's how I got her, already with horns. All my other goats are debutted, so we don't have this problem. It's okay, Mama. Lily's coming. All right, so Lily's here. Let's see what we can do. Can you see her? Are you there? You got to go by the wall and squeeze down. Yeah, right there. Okay, I'm going to push her closer so her horns can go down. You got them? Push them down, like down towards me so I can grab them. Are they in the hole? Both of them? Oh, I got her. Come here, Mama. Let me see. Come here. Let me see if you're okay. Hold still. Oh, my poor baby girl. You're okay. You're okay. No scratches, no bruises, huh? You okay? Oh, silly. That's where she was stuck. What? What happened? You stuck your head in there. I told you about that. Your babies. Look, your babies want you. Come on. Let's go see the babies. Come on. Your babies were worried about you. They couldn't find their mama. Come on. There they are. Calling for you. There they are. Go on. Go in. Watch out. Now you got your babies. There's your mama. I thought you missed her. I know what you guys need. I'll be right back. What a cute couple. What a darling couple. Oscar and Cotton. What a cute couple. Hey. I don't know if you guys can see, but for me rescuing Marmalade, I am glistening. So I decided to come in and get them a snack. Watermelon. Because everybody likes watermelon. especially this time of year. Ooh, it is super sweet and juicy. Look at that. Whoa. See that? Mmm. Can you see that? Mmm. Delicious. Well, everybody here likes watermelon. So I'm gonna cut up some for everybody because it's been hot. And sometimes in the summer, the animals, they don't stay hydrated, you know. You give them water. Some of them really like water. Most of them like water. But in this Arizona desert, it doesn't even matter. The heat is so hot that, you know, it's like nothing. So I'm gonna cut up some watermelons, take them out to my babies. They are gonna love this. Whoops. Because everybody loves some watermelon. I need a big bucket. Big bucket. Well, it's not that big, but I got two, so I'm gonna fill these up. Yum, yum. Everybody loves watermelon. Everybody loves watermelon. What about you, Ziggy? Ziggy's right here. He's gonna get the first piece. Well, I had the first piece, so he's gonna get the second piece. Would you like some watermelon? Look. Take a bite. Go ahead. Enjoy it. Zig, go ahead. Too cold? It's too cold for him. This is so juicy. Mmm. So yeah, I'm trying to think of any animals on here that don't like watermelon. Nope. Oh, maybe the ferrets, because they're carnivores and, you know, that's all they like. But everybody else, emus, bunnies, Delilah. You guys know Delilah and Ellie Mae love watermelon. Let's see. You guys will see how fast this watermelon goes. Yum, yum, yum. Watermelon, watermelon. All right, almost done. Next. OMG. Can you guys see that? How amazing that looks. When it just cracks open like this, you know it's sweet and juicy. Oops, get rid of the paper. Get rid of that sticker. Okay. Is your mouth watering yet? watermelon wagon is ready. The watermelon wagon is ready. Delilah, your first stop. You're the first stop, Delilah. Hi, baby girl. You're the first stop for the watermelon wagon. Look what I got. Look at that. A wagon full of watermelon. All right. How many pieces would you like? Huh? How many pieces would you like, Delilah? I got plenty. 3? 3 enough? Maybe? Okay, I'll come back. Let's give the bunnies. Bunnies like watermelon. Yes, they do. Huh? Good stuff? Good stuff, fellas? They agree. Good stuff. What about you, Marmalade? Would you like a piece? Would you like, kiddos? You want some? All right, watermelon it is. Here you go, Marmalade. After being locked up for who knows how long. I got more watermelon. Oh my goodness. Whoops, dropped it. Come on, Pearl, come get some because there's plenty. You guys want more? Or Marmalade hogs it all. Let's see where Delilah is with her watermelon. 2 down and 1 to go, Delilah. Well, I'm going to go to the other side of the yard, so I'm going to leave you 1 more small piece. Make sure you're good and hydrated, okay, baby girl? Guess what I have? I got juicy, delicious watermelon. Come on, Oscar. Taste it. It's sweet and delicious. Those lips love watermelon. Let's get another piece. I'll leave you guys a couple pieces. Here you go. Get it. Look at your pink lips. Your lips are pink from eating watermelon. Watermelon for 2. Okay. Here, I'm gonna leave you guys a couple more pieces. Eat it, it's just as good. Look at your juicy face. Look at that juicy face. That's a juicy face. I can't forget you, baby girl. Here you go, Callie. Good stuff? It is literally dripping down onto Ziggy's head. Uh-oh. All right, I'm gonna leave you a couple pieces. There you go, baby girl. There you go. Ellie Mae is screaming. Gotta go. Ellie Mae is not very patient, as everyone knows. She's across the yard screaming at me because I'm sure she can smell it. Pigs have a wonderful sense of smell. I forgot what it is. It's something they can smell so many feet below the ground, the dirt or something. That's why they use them to hunt for truffles. I'll look it up and try and insert it if I remember. Coming. I am coming, Ellie Mae. She wastes no time digging into that watermelon. And she definitely eats rind and all, in case you were wondering. Zipper! I got watermelon. You two want some? Look. Guapo's like, give me some. Here, Guapo. Let me get another piece. Hold on. Zipper, come get some watermelon. They're going to eat it all. Then you're going to be like, oh, man. Oh, man. Are you coming? Come on. There's some already on the ground, Waffle. You can't eat the camera. She's like, is that really watermelon up here? Left out in the open? Pigs do not have sweat glands and they need to hydrate. Right? Right? Heck yeah, whatever you say, just give me watermelon. No, the watermelon's not cold. Ziggy is stealing it from under the fence. Ziggy, you want some watermelon? You don't have to steal it under the fence. Here. They even put a few small pieces for the babies.